Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through how to upload files to Canva using your phone. So let us get started. To begin, open your Canva application and tap on the plus icon located below to create a new canvas. Choose the size that best suits your project needs. Now, click on the plus icon located on the left corner and select Uploads. Tap on Upload Files. Here, you have the option to choose from your photo library. Take a photo or video directly, or select a file from your device. For this example, I will choose Files. Once you tap on Files, it will open your device files. And you can select the file you want to add to your Canva project. Tap on the file and click Open on the upper right corner. Wait for it to load, and once it is ready, tap on it to embed it into your Canva canvas. Now, you have successfully uploaded the file to your Canva project, and you can start designing with it, adding text, elements, or other creative touches. With this feature, you can easily import your own files into Canva and incorporate them into your designs, giving you more flexibility and creative control. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.